Easy manual breast pump guide, quiet and comfortable milk expression for new moms. In this calm and educational video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to use a manual breast pump effectively, ensuring a comfortable and quiet pumping experience for every new mom. Breastfeeding can be a beautiful journey, but it also comes with challenges. That's why knowing how to express milk properly is so important. We'll start by showing how to sterilize and assemble your manual pump before each use, ensuring a clean and safe feeding process for your baby. Next, you'll learn the right posture and positioning to help milk flow easily, reducing strain on your hands and shoulders. We'll demonstrate how to gently create suction and adjust the rhythm of pumping to mimic your baby's natural feeding pattern, helping stimulate better milk letdown while keeping the process smooth and painless. Throughout the video, you'll discover helpful tips on maintaining milk supply, safely storing expressed milk, and keeping your pump parts clean and dry after every session. Whether you're a working mom, traveling, or just looking for a quiet, efficient way to express milk at home, this guide offers everything you need for a stress-free pumping routine. Our focus is on comfort, hygiene, and practicality, empowering mothers to nourish their babies confidently and conveniently. So, sit back, relax, and follow along as we make manual pumping simple, effective, and comfortable, because every mom deserves a peaceful and positive breastfeeding experience.